Hey guys, Moisan here and welcome back to my channel. So guys, for those who doesn't know, my name is Moe and I do contents about nursing and skincare and hair care. This is Lilibet. Hi! Let's do a video regarding uneven skin tone. It is September, so we're approaching actually sa fall season dito sa Toronto. Pag nagkitna ang taglamig, this is the best time para magpaputi. We're going to Shoppers Drug Mart, which is a Canadian drugstore. Kung i-compare mo sa Philippines, para siyang
Watson
or Mercury Drug. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa my skincare area. Let's start finding some of the products that are good for uneven skin tone.
Yeah!
So I do recommend yung product na CeraVe. Nasubukan mo na ba to?
Yes!
Yes. Okay.
This is your first recommendation.
No, actually this is good. This is with salicylic acid. So this is very good for acne prone skin and it also helps to exfoliate the skin. I really like this one. So this is fragrance free. And actually, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin kung may rough skin ka. Ito Lil, I've tried this. This one is actually really good too. So salicylic acid din yan. Good for uneven skin tone and acne prone skin. Medyo ano siya, may fragrance though. Feminine wash. Yeah, so this one is also really good guys for uneven skin tone. Hindi lang for uneven skin tone, for rough and bumpy skin. Ikaw Lil, anong recommendation mo?
I wanna recommend this from Neutrogena.
Notre Dame?
Sorry. Neutrogena. Stubborn texture.
So this one is actually good. It has salicylic acid also. Tsaka may glycolic acid siya. Very good for dark spots, uneven skin tone. Tinatanggal niya yung dead skin cells. So I've tried this. Medyo stronger siya kumpara dito sa CeraVe. But kung gusto mo talaga ng mas effective for rough and bumpy skin, uneven skin tone, I really like that one.
Yeah.
Sinubukan mo ba yan?
Yes, I'm using this now.
Nux. No, but seriously, this is really good. So guys, if you're acne prone also, very good. But make sure to use your sunscreen all the time when using this kasi malakas talaga siya Lil. Now, let's move on to serum. So when it comes to serums for skin lightening or uneven skin tone, love this. I do recommend this. Sinubukan mo na yan. Ni-recommend ko yan sa'yo. Hindi mahapdi?
No, it's not.
Kasi yung iba, nagsasabi na mahapdi daw. Tapos nagre-redden yung mukha. Pero nasanay na ako. Moisturizing siya kumpara dito sa stubborn marks. So, yeah, ito yung stubborn marks. PM treatment to. Ito yung ginagamit ko guys kapag nagpo-post inflammatory hyperpigmentation ako. Medyo mahapdi siya kumpara sa doon. Pero mas mabilis ang effect nito for me kumpara sa CeraVe. Pero kung naghahanap ka ng mas hydrating, as medyo hindi sobrang drying sa skin, I do recommend the CeraVe Resurfacing. Seriously.
Yeah, maganda talaga to.
No, yeah.
Best recommendation.
And also, that's fragrance free.
Yeah.
Guys, pagdating naman sa body wash, kung sensitive yung skin mo, dapat iniiwasan yung gumamit ng medyo may fragrance, lalo na kung meron kayong psoriasis or eczema. It's much better to turn into something na kagaya ng Aveeno. But then, kung hindi naman sensitive yung skin mo, try something na you would enjoy. At saka yung may mga ingredients na kagaya ng Naturium. Ito may glycolic acid. Very nice.
Wow.
Yeah, exfoliating. Maganda yan sa may ano mo. Keratosis pilaris. Good for improving uneven skin tone. Ganda, no? Ang ganda din ng presyo. $21 for uneven skin tone, glycolic acid. Tapos, kung acne prone ka naman, salicylic acid. Best friend namin nililibet ang salicylic. Kasi madali kaming tinatagihawat, lalo na pag nagna-night shift kami, di ba?
That's true.
So, meron si Lilibet na keratosis pilaris. Nag-improve talaga sa salicylic acid.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mo.
Oh, kasi medyo, actually, ang keratosis pilaris, guys, it's genetic. So, hindi mo talaga siya completely matatanggal. Pero, mag-i-improve lang yung appearance niya, smoothness. Huwag kayong maniwala dun sa mga advertisement na nagsasabing keratosis pilaris is totally mawawala. Hindi. Mag-i-smoothen out lang siya. Yung sa kanya, nag-smoothen.
Nag-flatten.
Yes. Guys, ito talaga after body wash for moisturizing, tas for uneven skin tone. Guys, sinubukan ko talaga to. Ang ganda. Fragrance free tone and texture. Meron siyang niacinamide at saka polyhydroxy acid. So kung sensitive yung skin mo, I do recommend this. Kaya lang ang hindi ko lang medyo gusto dyan, medyo maasim yung amoy niya. Oo, at saka ang isa pa sa hindi ko gusto guys is $25. So umabot ng mga 1,300 pesos.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. This one guys, it's also good for uneven skin tone. HA, BHA complex. Love this. Lilibet, ito ba yung binili natin?
Yes, this is the one.
Maganda.
Yes, of course.
Pero may ano siya, may fragrance. May amoy talaga. Yun lang ang problema sa Olay, may amoy talaga siya. Pero gaya nga na sinabi ko, kung hindi naman sensitive yung skin nyo.
Yes, must be, please.
Actually, si Lilibet natuwa siya doon sa sinubukan niyang may salicylic acid. Kasi may keratosis pilaris siya.
Yeah.
So, nung sinubukan niya to, nag-improve ba?
Oo naman. Ito mo eh.
O bago ng Dove?
Yes.
Guys, this is niacinamide. Talagang niacinamide girl. Number 1 talaga for uneven skin to. Pero hindi ko pa siya nasubukan. But knowing Dove, moisture, sensitive skin, non-comedogenic, I wanna try this one. May retinol pa siya. Guys, meron na namang from Olay. This is niacinamide, vitamin B6 for uneven skin tone, dark spots. Niacinamide kasi guys, pang lahatan na ingredient, diba? Uneven skin tone, acne prone skin, niacinamide. Okay. $16.99. Di mo ba nagamit to?
Hindi pa. Bibilhin ko siya pag nagmura na siya.
Bibilhin daw niya pag nagmura na.
Sale.
Lilibet, look at this deli.
Wow!
Hello, Abo. Guys, ito, I do recommend this one. Okay, bago lang ako dito, ginagamit ko ito mga 2 weeks na. Sobrang light talaga sa skin. Okay, meron siyang niacinamide pa rin, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid. Perfect siya sa hot weather, kagaya sa Philippines, kasi hindi siya malagkit. So, alam ko meron ganito sa Philippines, yung parang Hiag Gluta for uneven skin tone, Lil. You should try. Ano bang maitim sa'yo?
Lahat.
Visit.
Singit, budhit.
Attitude.
Minsan.
Okay guys, so pinakita namin sa inyo yung cleanser, body wash, body cream. So now let's go to the most important part of your skincare for uneven skin tone is of course
Sunscreen protection.
So basically when it comes to sunscreen guys, anything that really makes you happy or comfortable for your skin. Chemical sunscreen kung hindi ka naman sensitive, mineral sunscreen or physical sunscreen kung sensitive yung balat mo. Let's check out some sunscreen na you guys can try. One of the sunscreen actually na gusto ko is this one over here. Nasubukan ko na to. Nakita nyo nang gumawa ko ng video niyan. Meron tong SPF 45. Yung akin kasi 60 yung ginamit ko. Ikaw ba? Anong ginagamit mo sunscreen?
Anong ginagamit ko?
Hindi ka gumagamit.
Okay. Your best recommendation, I will follow again.
O ano? So hindi ka nagsa-sunscreen? Hindi nga. Guys, hindi siya nagsa-sunscreen. Guys, this one, nasubukan ko yung cream niya, not the spray though, but I really like this kasi very soft siya sa skin and it's very gentle actually. Gusto ko itong subukan.
Yes. Let's get it.
Let's get it. Sale ba? Hindi sale. So, kukunin mo. $25. 1,500 pesos.
So much. Next time, we're gonna wait.
Okay. Pag hindi sale, hindi bibili.
No. Sorry, guys.
Ito guys, Aveeno Protect and Soothe Mineral Sunscreen. Okay din to for somebody who has sensitive. Syempre ang Aveeno, kilala sila for their own ingredient which is good for redness. I like Aveeno. Medyo nga lang ang Aveeno, girl.
A bit pricey.
Well, aside from that, medyo mabigat siya sa balat. Perfect for winter. Pero pag nasa Philippines ka, I don't think this is... yung maglalakad ka sa labas. Yeah. So guys, pagdating sa sunscreen, really, kahit ano namang klase ng sunscreen, it will really help you with evening skin tone. Wala talagang sunscreen na, alam mo yun, like, okay, paano ko ba sabihin to? Lahat ng klase ng sunscreen will have a skin brightening effect kasi it protects you from UVA and UVB. Yun. So, gagamit ka na ba ng sunscreen?
Paulit, UVB, UVA.
Any sunscreens that you like, that you enjoy, perfect. Okay, basta kung hindi kayo sensitive sa chemical sunscreen, go with chemical sunscreen. Kung sensitive kayo, go with mineral sunscreen. Ang mineral sunscreen nga lang has a brightening effect. Yung alam mo yung mga sunscreen na madali kang pumuti. So kung darker yung shades mo, halata eh. Di ba?
Thank you so much.
Ako lang yung salita ng salita dito. Pagod na kasi. 12 hours? Nag 12 hours ka ba?
12 hours.
Okay, pagod siya eh.
Yeah.
Nagkape nga kami kasi mga inaantok.
How about this sunstick?
Yung sunsticks kasi, okay lang yan. Ang problema kasi sa sunstick, kailangan mo siyang i-apply many times sa mukha. Okay mo. Hindi, seryoso. Guys, so yung sunsticks, kailangan mo talaga siyang i-apply ng madaming beses. Like, hindi lang isang ganun. Like, 4 or 5 beses talaga. Yun yung tamang pagka-apply.
It's nice. Okay.
Ano? Nag-model ka lang ba? Guys, naantok na si Lilibet. Yeah, so hindi lang yan isang beses ha. Guys, may nakita kami ni Lilibet. So ito yung St. Ives na merong scrubs. Guys, as much as possible, try to avoid this kasi may scrub siya. So ako personally, hindi talaga ako gumagamit ng products na may scrubs kasi it causes so much irritation on the skin. Mas lalong nangingitim yung balat. Kasi di ba no, nag-uso yung mga ganito. Like St. Ives. Sorry, hindi talaga ako gumagamit. Pwede mo siyang gamitin sa paa mo. Like really, kung may kalyo ka, tuhod, ganon. But I don't recommend it sa mga kilikili. Kasi sensitive yung balat natin sa kilikili. So mas lalong mangingitim.
Singit.
Yeah, so try to avoid products na merong mga scrubs. It's not good. Ito yung sinasabi ko, SPF 30. Tsaka ito yung sinubukan ko, SPF 60. Maganda talaga to. Pero ito yung binigay ko kay Kohana. So ito guys, medyo mas lighter siya kumpara dito. Okay, this one is for kids, Ombrelle. It's a French company and guys, ang Mexoryl is actually a technology that's only specific only to Garnier. Very good technology that they use. Like this one. Love. I really love Ombrelle sunscreen. So again, with the sunscreen guys, don't forget to apply every 2 hours. Yun yung standard, 2 to 3 hours. Also put it on your eyelid areas. Yung ibang sunscreen medyo parang nakakasilaw siya ng mata. Pero as much as possible, get into that habit of putting it on your eyelids. Kasi uso yung mga eyelid cancers. Yeah, usually kung maputi ka talaga, eyelid cancer is actually becoming very common. Yeah. So, yun guys, for today's video, nakita nyo na yung some of the products na we recommend for uneven skin tone. If you guys have any question or suggestion, leave it in the comment section down below. Follow Lilibet in her Instagram and also her YouTube channel. Okay, makikita nyo yung mga kalokohan niya doon. First time namin gawin to ni Lilibet. So, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Turn on that notification bell for more videos such as this one. At as always guys, always sunscreen, proper clothing, avoiding the sun at its highest peak, mga around 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So, yun yung parang pinaka-dangerous hours ng sun, okay? So, anyways guys, thank you so much again. And as always, never self-diagnose. Seek medical help for proper treatments and diagnosis. Anyways guys, magkita-kita ulit tayo. Bye!